Have you ever wondered how soil becomes rich and fertile? Meet the earthworm, nature's unsung hero. These small creatures tunnel through the ground, breaking up soil and allowing air and water to reach plant roots. But their magic doesn't stop there. As they munch on organic matter, they produce nutrient-rich castings that are pure gold for plants. This process enhances soil structure, promotes healthy microbes, and helps retain moisture. Earthworms are vital for agriculture, supporting our food supply by improving crop yields. Without them, our soils would be lifeless and barren. So next time you see a worm, remember, they're hard at work making our planet greener and healthier.